In this video, I'll show you how to scan using a HP OfficeJet Pro 8122E printer. So this printer has the scanner glass and it also has the automatic document feeder at the top here. I'll show you how to use both. The first thing you need to do is connect the printer to the same Wi-Fi network that you're going to be using. To do that, come to the printer's control panel and press on Menu. Then scroll down and select Settings. Press Network, Wi-Fi. Then you'll see the Wi-Fi setup wizard. Press the Start button beside it. And it's then going to begin to search for all the routers that are in your area. So it'll come back with the list of all the different ones that it finds. So simply scroll through the list, and then when you find your Wi-Fi name, just press on it. You'll then see this rectangle box. Press in the box and it's going to bring up this keyboard here for you to type in your Wi-Fi password. Just press on the letters to type it. Then if your password has capital letters, you can press this arrow on the left, it's pointing upwards, and it will change it to capitals. Then if your password has symbols, you can press this button here and it will display symbols. If you want to see the password that you've typed, you can press this I button with the line through it and it will show you what you've already typed. And then you can also press this X if you want to delete a letter in case you typed the wrong one. So just go ahead and enter in your Wi-Fi password. When you're done entering it, press OK, then submit, and OK once again. Now you'll get this message that it's trying to connect to the network. It should take around 30 seconds. You'll then see this message, connection successful, with this check mark. Next, come to your computer or laptop and click on the Windows button at the bottom. Then in the search bar, you want to type Microsoft Store. At the top, type HP. And go ahead and download this app. This is the app that we'll be using to connect our printer and scan. You'll first get this pop-up. Let HP access your precise location. You need to click yes. And now, because I already have a HP account, it's automatically signed me in. However, if you don't have one, you need to create one. It's free and you need to do it in order to scan. So just go ahead and create one if you haven't already. Once you've done that, you want to click on this Add Device button. Then choose a printer. It will then automatically find your HP OfficeJet Pro 8120 series. Just click anywhere here. Give it a few seconds to load and it will redirect you to this screen here where you can see your printer name, and you'll also be able to see your estimated ink levels on the left. You then have your features below. So here we have the scan feature. Click on that. And over on the right, you have your different scan settings. Under source, you have the scanner glass and document feeder. I'll show you how to use the scanner glass first. Then you have presets. So are you scanning a document or are you scanning a photo? I recommend leaving the scan area as entire scan area because we can crop it later on. Then output, do you want the scan to be done in color? And then finally we have the resolution. So the HP app lets us scan up to 1200 dpi, which means this would be a very good scan. So if you were scanning something like a piece of art or a photo where you wanted every detail, I recommend going for the highest dpi. To access the scanner glass, flip up the lid here at the top of the printer. Then take the page that you're going to scan and you want to place it face down on the glass like this. So the side that you're scanning, make sure it's face down. Then you want the top left of your page to be in the top left of the scanner. So just push it towards that arrow and then close the lid. Now if you come back to your computer, simply click on the scan button and it's going to start the scanning process. You'll then see a preview of how it's turned out, and you also have this pencil icon at the top which allows you to edit some things. So you can click on the corners here and you can crop some of the image if you didn't want all of it to be included. So we'll just press done and it's now cropped. Then if you click back into that pencil icon over on the right, you can click adjust and change the saturation, exposure, brightness. You can add some text. When you're happy with your edits, click on done at the bottom. And now to save it to your computer, along this bottom menu here we have the save button. Now you can just rename the file to make it easier to find. And you can also change it from a PDF to a JPEG if you wanted to. We'll just click on save. And now you can choose where it gets saved to on your computer. And here we have the confirmation that it's been saved. If you come back to your scan settings and change the source to document feeder, I'll show you how to use that. At the top of the printer, you'll see these two guides here. This is your automatic document feeder. So what you want to do is with your finger, just take one of them and push it all the way to the edge, and the other one will move automatically. The document feeder is great if you have to scan multiple pages, as it gets it done a lot quicker. So make sure they're aligned, and you want to place these face up and simply glide them between the two guides like this. I'll show you again from a different angle. So we're just inserting the paper in between the two guides. Then when you have it in, get the two guides and press them against the paper so they fit nice and tight. Now if you come back to your computer, click on scan once again. And this time you'll see each page being taken one by one and scanned. Now over on the left, you can see your multiple different scans. So you can actually click and drag if you wanted to change the order in which they appear. And to save them, the process is just the same. So click on save at the bottom and it will be saved directly to your computer. So that's how to use the scanner for this printer. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.